Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Notes open, now act. Tap the note or folder you want to share. Once selected, tap More, then Share Note or Share Folder to start the invite flow. Choose people so you control who joins or create link for broader access. Make sure your iCloud is signed in so changes sync. You're doing this now to enable real-time collaboration. It's faster than exporting. Next, pick the permission level before sending so collaborators can edit or only view. Once you've chosen recipients, set permissions with share options. Allow editing for collaboration or view only to keep control. You can send via messages, mail, or tap copy link to drop it in any app. Choose messages for quick, verified delivery. After sending, watch the collaborator list in the note header to confirm people accepted. Make sure to explain expected edits so everyone works in the same direction. If someone needs access later, add them from the same share menu. Finish by managing who can do what. Open the note, tap the collaborator icon, and change permissions or stop sharing to revoke access. Once done, deleted links won't work and editors lose access immediately. If changes don't appear for others, make sure both of you have iCloud Notes enabled and a stable network connection. Sign out and back into iCloud if needed. Remember to check device software updates. Outdated iOS can block sharing features, so update and retry if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.